Hello guys, my name is Ruby Aguayo and today my presentation is going to be about sleep hygiene. What is sleep hygiene? Sleep hygiene refers to a series of sleep habits that can affect your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. These sleep habits can be both healthy and unhealthy. They can be part of your intentional pre-bed rituals, or they can be unhealthy habits you have before bed that you might not even know are affecting your sleep. Why is it important to practice good sleep hygiene? Sleep is beneficial for both physical and mental health. It improves overall quality of life and is beneficial for all ages. Some consequences that can happen without having enough sleep. In this map shows money lost due to insufficient sleep among 5 countries. For example, in the United States, there was $411 billion lost due to people not having enough sleep to be able to do their job throughout the day. How does lack of sleep affect you? It reduces productivity, it increases human error by impairing coordination, negatively affects mood, it impairs attention, alertness, concentration, reasoning, and problem solving, negatively impacting your capacity to learn. Adversely impacts your memorization abilities and puts you at higher risk for developing some chronic illnesses. And this table here, it shows some of the chronic conditions that you could develop without having enough sleep. Some recommendations: how to get a good night's sleep. Be consistent, try to go to sleep and wake up at the same time. Make bedroom quiet, dark, and relaxing place. Make sure your bedtime routine is relaxing. Shut off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before sleep, or enable blue light filters on your devices. Make sure that you use your bed only for sex and sleep. Avoid caffeine, afternoon or late night large meals. Make sure that you exercise early in the day or at least 3 hours before bedtime. A quote from Dr. W. Christopher Winter is that it's my estimate that good sleep hygiene strategies will solve roughly a quarter of sleep issues. Some sleep disorders that can occur, for example, would be insomnias, which are inability to fall asleep and or stay asleep. The most common in older adults, women, those under stress, and those with certain medical or mental health issues like depression. This includes short sleepers. Hypersomnia is excessive sleepiness. Narcolepsy is a hypersomnia that couples the overwhelming sleepiness with sleep attacks. This includes idiopathic hypersomnia, Klein-Levin syndrome, and insufficient sleep syndrome. Sleep breathing disorders is difficulty breathing during sleep. This includes obstructive sleep apnea, snoring, central sleep apnea, child sleep apnea, infant sleep apnea, and catatonia. Circadian rhythm disorders are disorders where sleep times vary greatly from norm. Parasomnias is unwanted events happen either when someone is falling asleep, or waking up. This includes strange behaviors, emotions, actions, or dreams. The actions may seem purposefully or too complex to be done while asleep, but the sufferer stays asleep and most don't remember what they said or did once they're awake. Sleep movement disorders is caused movement before or during sleep and make it hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, and get a good night's sleep. This includes restlessness, leg syndrome, sleep leg cramps, or sleep rhythmic movement and bruxism, just to name a few. These are some health policies addressing sleep hygiene, which can be found, for example, in Healthy People 2020. This concludes this presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.